We got Greg's car back in the shop. We're gonna be doing a couple things to the car. First, do a little startup because the car sounds pretty good. It's a little loud for me, but I think it sounds pretty good, and some of you guys would like some sounds. So, like I said, pretty loud. So let's shut it off and start getting this thing worked on. First thing, we got to take a couple things off. We're gonna be doing plugs and injectors first. So we got to take a lot of stuff off to get to that point. But let's get right to it. So you gotta zip this off, the actual intake box, the intake tube, take the IAC off, and then get to the actual plenum. Plenum, which just has 7 mils. You gotta take off and the whole thing comes off. So let's get this off right about. So we got it off. Now we gotta tackle, we'll tackle the plugs first. This side might be a little easier than this side, but literally just take the connectors off, take the coil packs out. Coil packs literally just pull out. So I'll show you guys how to do that if they don't pull right out. You can kind of use this little side, you could use some wire, twist it around and plop it out, but start tackling these plugs. Here's the parts kind of laid out. We got all the plugs and injectors, and then we got the 2 valve cover gaskets. He's also wanting us to change tires, change the tire size. He wants to go a little lower, so he wants to go smaller in tire size, which we'll be able to do. But like I said, let's get tackling on the service. Get those coil packs off. I used a windshield tool to cut the windshield out, and it works pretty good. You just wrap it around the top of the coil pack. You can wrap it around like that, and then you can just pull it right out. All right, so now we're gonna take the valve covers off, get new gaskets on there, take the plugs off the injectors and all that. But let's get to it. All right, so we got the injectors out. Literally just 4 bolts. Take this quick connect off by taking your retaining clip out, push it in, and it comes out. So now we're gonna unclip all these injectors and get some brand new ones on. All right, got them all out. They were stuck. There we go, we got it all back together. So now we're gonna go do a test drive, make sure it's all good, and then on to the next thing. So let's make sure we're all good. Tires on. So tires are on. Looking into that drive train vibration, does look like it most likely is that drive shaft. Differential feels pretty tight. I don't feel any crazy play in there because the noise is pretty loud. But we're gonna do an oil change on this car first, and then we'll get to doing the front tires, and then lowering the car, and then in the next clip after this we'll be doing the drive shaft. But just trying to chip away this car, get it all done. But draining the oil now. Alrighty, so we're gonna start tackling this exhaust. Start unbolting it, getting it dropped so we can get to the actual drive shaft. You can see, look at the carrier, completely blown out. So we gotta fix that. So let's zip these bolts off for the drive shaft and the guibo, get them both swapped out, and be done. Alrighty. Shaft's out. You can see that pushing. Completely separated. Alright, so now we just marked it. I marked this for my installation of the new one, but take this bolt out. It's a 18. Yeah, so I got an 18 wrench. Just slowly turn it loose. Keep pushing it this drive shaft forward just so you can get access always, and it'll come out. And just like that, the bearing's off. Just use any means necessary, I guess, to get it off. But once it's off, you put it on. I marked it prior, so Guibo drive shaft. So the G is for T. See, the G matches up with the T on top. So I just matched that up. T on top goes to the Guibo, and then the other one goes the other side, just to note the orientation. So now we'll press this one on. Same thing, just whatever way you can press them on. So I'm gonna press this on real quick, and then we'll get right back to you. Alrighty, with the bearing fully pressed on, now we can just assemble it to the actual drive shaft again and get the new Guibo on, and we'll get it as one full shaft right about. We got the bolt fully installed with Loctite. It's fully seated all the way around. So now we can plop this Guibo off, get new Guibo on there, new bolts hopefully. Let's see. Unfortunately, no new bolts, so we'll just get the new Guibo on and keep going. We got them all torqued up, center carriers in, no more play at all. Got everything marked, torqued. So now let's put these shields on, slip that exhaust back on, and go for a drive, make sure it's all good. Got it all buttoned up. I think I fixed the exhaust leak, we'll see when we start it up, but these were all pretty loose, and so was the actual header portion. So tighten them all up. Hopefully we're good to go now. Let's start it up, go for a drive, do our little QC drive, and make sure it's all good. Alrighty, first little drive. Vibration is gone, thank God. That was a pretty bad vibration from that center carrier. So now we're just gonna keep driving, make sure it's all good, do our final QC, and then we'll give it back to Greg and let him enjoy it for the season. Perfect timing. Guys, we got Greg's car done. We got the valve cover done, spark plugs, injectors. We got that center carrier bearing all fixed. Also did an oil change. He had a little leaky oil drain, but we got that fixed too. So now the car is ready for the season. Perfect time for him. He just got back from a nice vacation, so he'll be able to enjoy the car once he gets back. Got some other things for the JZX that I'll show in the next video, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update where we're at. Greg's car is all finished, and he's gonna get back to him. We got tires too. New tires. Before he picks it up, I'm gonna do a quick wash of the car, polish the lips again, and just make it a little nice for him when he gets it. Also got those studs on for him. Studs, spacer in the back. I think that's it. I'm gonna give him my 20s just in case he wants to put the 20 in the back, but that's gonna be it for Greg's car. Drop in the comments, tell Greg to start recording his car again. I'm gonna put his YouTube here and in the comments, or I'll tag him in the video, but definitely drop in the comments, guys. Tell Greg, get back on recording stuff. Such a cool car. A little loud for me, but I don't know. It's definitely super sick, and definitely I like these in black are so good. But I'm gonna stop rambling, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. Like I said, stay hyped, guys. We're gonna get back with the videos. JZX is coming back better than ever. We got so many parts ready for this thing already, and it's not even here yet. Estimated June, what is it? June, like early June, it's gonna ship from Japan. So hopefully mid-July we'll have it, but I don't even care, guys. As long as it's here, that's all that matters. And we'll be back. We'll have a shit ton of parts for it when it's here. But like I said, stay hyped, guys. Like, comment, all that fun stuff you guys usually do, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.